Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to get started in our morning workbook. So if you please grab your morning workbook and something to write with and then meet me over in our camera here. There we go. All right, so today we are on page 27 and we're going to correct. It says read the sentence, circle the verb. So it says Jordan seems cheerful today. Jordan seems. So these are linking verbs that we're dealing with today. We haven't learned about those yet, but that one is what our verb is. And how does he seem? He seems cheerful. Cheerful is an adverb. Liz is tall and strong. Liz is. We can circle is. So these are linking verbs right there. Number 3, the puppy feels lonely. What's the puppy doing? He feels. And then Grandpa appears tired. What about Grandpa? He appears. So it just seems like it, just looks like it. Okay?
You always read that.
This is actually going. Okay. So we're going to go to our math. We're going to be rounding. Round the numbers in the problem to the nearest 10, then rewrite the problem. So we're looking at 84 is between 80 and 90. The 4 means we go down, so that's 80. Subtract between 50 and 60. That one's closest to 60, so we're going to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay. Number 8, between 60 and 70. The 2 means it's closest to 60. The 2 in this one means it's closer to 20. So 60 minus 20 equals 40. Okay. And then we're going to go to 85. 5 is closest to 90, so we're going to do 90. And then closest to 9 would be 10. So 90 minus 10 would be 80. $91 is closest to 90, and 29 is closest to 30. 90 minus 30 is 60. So I'm just going over these quickly because you should have already done them. So if you just need to fix them, you can do that. 77 is closest to 80, and 61 is closest to 60. We already did that one. It's going to be 20. And then 99 is closest to 100, and 19 is closest to 20. So 100 minus 20 is 80. All right, check your answers and fix any of them that you have incorrect. And then, of course, I already gave you the answer for the bottom, didn't I? Because I'm a goofball. I think it's about making a banana split and to make a banana split sundae. All right, if you need anything on this page, go ahead and pause and get that fixed. And then you're going to meet me on page 28. And we're just going to talk about what you need to do today on page 28. So it says under language, read the sentence, complete it using a verb from the word box. We have the word bite, peel, and cut. So we need to put those words into these sentences. Mom and Dad blank a watermelon into small pieces. Juice sprays out of the berries when Jay and Naya blank them. Rhoda and Doug blank a kiwi because its skin is fuzzy. So which one of these words can you put into the sentence to make it correct? Okay. And then in math, it says, read the problem, then round the given numbers to the nearest 100. Use the rounded numbers to estimate the answer, and then find the exact answer. So we have to do both. So at Bevins Elementary School, 226 students take the school bus. The other 468 students walk to school or get rides from their parents. How many students attend Bevins Elementary? So we're going to be taking 226 and 468. You need to figure out how to round those together and put the answer, and then what the exact answer actually is too, okay? And finally, on the bottom, read the text and answer the question. The question says, how does Tyrone feel about playing piano? Tell why you think so. Tyrone, time to wake up for your piano lesson, called Mom. Tyrone groaned as he sat up in bed. It was Saturday morning, and he wanted to stay home. After Tyrone got dressed and ate breakfast, his mom said, we'll leave in 5 minutes to go to your lesson. Tyrone looked out the window. He saw kids riding their bikes. He wished he could do that right now. On the way to the lesson, Tyrone heard piano music on the car radio. He turned it off. How does Tyrone feel about playing piano? Tell why you think so. So you're going to put your answer there, right? So that's your work for today, and then we will correct it tomorrow. And then I will see you over in vocabulary. That's our next spot. See you there.